Good afternoon, it's Jane with Battle River Homesteaders. I thought I would kind of just show you what we're up to today. It's a beautiful, probably 5 degrees outside. It's windy. It's windy. I'm in the greenhouse and it is plus 25, babe?
I don't know what it is.
26? Something or another. But we're just prepping the greenhouse. We're taking out here. So I put all our pails out so they can, they're probably not frozen anymore. And then we're cleaning up the rabbit cages that were in here. They haven't had rabbits in them for quite a while. But I'm gonna put all the poop into my flower beds. Great fertilizer. Joshua's back there.
Hello.
And out here, where's pretty girl? Guns, can you look at Tatu, sweetie? Cuz, turn your back to mommy. Turn your back to mommy, please. Gunner. And then we decided that we're going to build up over here with mulch. And we're going to bring over, we have a greenhouse over there. That bring over here and put it here. And then we have another greenhouse on the other side I'll take to show you. Sis, you're killing mom. Killing me. Over here. So then this, excuse the garbage, I'm cleaning out the greenhouse. But this greenhouse that we started last year, then we'll put it behind this greenhouse. And then the feed shed, we're gonna move over there was the chicken coop, and then it was the bunny hutch for winter, and now it's the chicken coop. So I think that's our game plan for now. Ooh, and then, hey baby girl. And then over here, so this, hope you guys can hear me or else I'm gonna have to redo this. But then over here, I'm gonna get Josh to rotary till in this area. I'm gonna obviously clean it up. I'm gonna rotary till and we're going to plant pumpkins. Just pumpkins, babe? You listening to me? Are we just planting pumpkins? What ones? Josh says that I had plans to plant something else here, but I don't know. So right now, it's gonna be my pumpkin patch. So I am over at our garden shed. It is an organized mess. We're going to move it over to where the greenhouses are behind me. But for right now, I have a shoot ton more seeds I want to plant, and Josh is totally okay with me doing that. So now I just need to find my get skinny. It's actually getting pretty hard to get through everything with this belly I'm growing. Let's put you guys right there. Yeah. Okay, so now I just need to find a bunch of cups. I'm gonna take in we're going big this year. The more we have, the less we have to buy all winter. I don't know about anyone else, but groceries here have gone up stupidly priced. So Josh and I want to be able to preserve as much as we can for winter time next year. Harvest time will be when baby is due. So you'll see me out there in the garden with the rotary tiller when I'm in labor. Because I want everything to be semi caught up and easy for when I come back. Because when I come back, I'm obviously going to be a little more chill. But what I can and can't do for a few weeks. So if I at least get the garden rotary tilled, that will help a lot. Because we're just going to be so busy. So busy. But I do have a lot of these. I guess I saved from fruit to make mini greenhouses. Let's take those in. Those would be helpful. Josh and I almost bought another inside greenhouse today. A much bigger one. It would have fit inside our just inside of our office when we were going to do it. But then we were like, no, We haven't saved for it. We are cash only doing all this. Because we don't want to have to owe. What's the point in having to owe? So instead we're just going to throw my seeds that are big out of the greenhouse. Oh, that has water in it. Oh well. And do it that way. So I'm actually pretty excited. Now we're gonna move them into the house because I think I have it to give us a good start. Now to get them all into the house. Hello, it is Jan with Battle River Homesteaders. It is we're in April. It is April 13th. Josh is at work, so I thought I would just, update you on my whole tomato situation we have going on. Last year I planted over 400 tomato plants, survived 400 tomato plants, and I got overwhelmed. I threw away half of them. However, this year I am going big or going home. So let me show you what I'm doing today. Okay, so before I started transplanting, I counted them, and I had 50 something tomato, cups, just 50 cups. And then I found 6 more or something like that. So I have 56 tomato cups. They're bush tomatoes and cherry tomatoes, and I am separating them. So I will separate these 4 into separate cups. I have my solo cups over there, and then we move them. Okay, hold on, sweetie. I'll meet you there. And they come here, where they're gonna grow in my office because my greenhouse is so full. So let's go check out my greenhouse. So between life and my kids, took me a little longer to check out my greenhouse. So I used to have 3, as you previously would have seen in other videos. They were all so full of all my, please, mom's videoing, of all my red solo cups. So that didn't include any of this, but they were from the top to the bottom. It was all full, all 3 of them. I've moved a whole bunch outside. I hope I don't regret that. I hope they don't freeze, but my house was like a jungle and I couldn't do it anymore. So that, I guess, is our update for now. Thanks for following.